Size difference.
Beans, the rice.
Oh, after it works, it's like. I know about Chuseok and Seolnar and Hangul too. Chuseok is kind of like Korean Thanksgiving, right? And Seolnar is kind of like the New Year. But other than that, I don't know that many holidays. Nope, never heard.
동짓날 is in English winter solstice.
Okay, cool.
I heard something similar to that in the Bible. They used to put like blood on the door,
Yes,
and
yes.
it would repel the evil spirits.
Yeah, right. So it's kind of real Korean Halloween.
Ah.
Yeah,
Oh,
Got it.
almost.
Just right before Christmas instead.
Yes.
I just had like the red bean paste in like little pastries
Rice cake.
in the rice cakes. Yeah.
Yeah, I have, because my family's Thai, so Thai people also have like red bean desserts and stuff. Especially, I think it came from China, but I actually haven't had it in Korea, other than like bingsu.
Also the bingsu, and that's exclusively it. Yeah.
Okay, so let's start cooking. Yay!
Step 1. Wash 2 paper cups of red bean and put cleanly washed red beans and water together in a pot and bring it to a boil.
Okay. There's one. You got it.
Okay. I can do that. I've made rice about 1,000 times in my life. Okay. Step 2, soak the non-gluttonous rice for 30 minutes in advance. Okay, we already soaked it. So
been
step
soaked.
3, if the red beans boil, throw the water away.
They are boiling.
Yep, boiling, so
Can someone have me? Yeah.
yes.
Careful.
Tell you what,
it's
I will.
very hot.
Hold that.
Wow.
I can't see. 4 times more water? Is that like 4 cups?
1, 2, 3.
Good boy.
Okay.
All right. Put these red beans back in there.
Back they go.
Now it's time to add some salt to the glutinous rice flour, about 2 paper cups if you so choose. And then we're going to knead that together with 85 degrees of water.
Okay.
You say you need to knead it?
Yeah, that's right.
So 2 paper cups of that and then 2 tablespoons of this.
Okay, here we go.
One. And then one more.
2 of these. Who's gonna do the thing?
You're doing a great job, Christian.
Thank you.
Okay, so step 6, glue it together until there's no dough and knead into the bowl. And take a little bit of the dough and put it in your palm to make a round shape.
Some people eat them as much as their age, so you can make it as much as you want.
So I have to eat 25 of these?
Oh,
Okay.
I have to eat 28. That's a lot.
We're
So these are like a bit.
size difference.
We're gonna add some salt and boil it. And when they're floating in the water, we're going to put them in cold water.
All right, we're gonna put it in now, I guess.
Oh, okay.
I lost one. I lost the ball.
Should we do a little bit more, like the fancy, like?
You got it.
Salt Bay.
Yeah.
It has to it has to go down your forearm.
Step 8. What is step 8, Melissa?
We need to get some red beans and smash them. See if they're ready to be completely grinded.
All right.
Get
Grab
a
some
few
beans.
here.
Also the top.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to check if they float.
Carefully. Okay. Cool it, cool it.
And I think the rice cake's floating. Oh, the rice cake's definitely floating.
Check that out.
Okay, looks like we need a proper strainer for the job. Can someone help me?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, here we go. Strain in the rice ball. Ooh. And now we're gonna place them in some cold water. Slowly.
So I think we need some more water, probably.
Alright, we got plenty of that.
Okay.
Fantastic.
So let's grab our mixer.
Don't break it again.
I think that's good.
Yeah.
Step 9. Add non-glutinous rice to the finely ground red beans and boil it, stirring with a ladle. Okay. Okay.
Stir for a sec.
Step 10. When it thickens and starts to form bubbles, we're gonna add our round rice cake balls together, boil, and finish.
Okay.
Here we go! Oh my gosh, here we go. Our finished product. Smells good.
That looks delightful. So what's the last step? What is the last step? Add salt or sugar to your taste.
Yeah?
Okay.
It feels like refried beans.
With the rice.
How are those balls, Christian?
Chewy.
not bad.
Very
ball.
chewy.
I actually prefer sugar.
Probably sugar.
surprisingly. I don't usually like sweet stuff.
I've tried it with both, and I have to say the sugar is actually like.
I do like a half salt, half sugar kind of thing going on. And now that it's mixing together, it's a little weird, but that's my fault. I feel bad for my kids though. You know what they say, right? Beans, beans, beans. Good for your heart, but they make you.
The magical fruit, the more you eat, the more you
yeah.
chew. Lots of delicious protein though. I think so.
Yeah.
I just need to buy a mixer.
Oh yeah, I don't have a mixer. Maybe not. Let's sit there like pounding beans for like 3 hours.
Get all that rage out.
And then just after work, just like, ah!
And it's perfect for winter time. It's warm and hearty for the soul.
Okay, so now we are making the pouches. And it can also be used the hot pack when you put it in the microwave.
Oh wow!
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
so
smart.
useful in winter season.
That's amazing.
Sweet. When I first heard they were making the pouches, I was afraid we were going to use the soup and throw it in the bag, and I realized how dumb that is. I was not thinking. This is a nice red color. I'll see. I'll make my kids. Oh!
Uh-oh.
I lost beans. I lost some beans.
Quick, grab his beans.
Grab his beans. I'm losing my beans.
Did you guys have the Thanksgiving lunch?
We did.
You know what? We
so
had like a
good.
market day deal go on instead. So, but the onion corn dogs and stuff like that.
What the heck? Oh my god. That's a demon!
We didn't react. That's why I'm laughing. He's from Kingdom, right? Or like, I was just thinking about Kingdom, the TV show. No, I don't know the character.
Actually, the character is Undertaker.
Oh, like, what's it called in Korean? Like Sato? Or what?
No, we call it 저승사자.
Oh, okay.
저승사자.
Yes. So we want to
Grim Reaper.
real experience of 동짓날.
We should have thrown this at him then.
Okay, let's put him in.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Beans.
Thanks.
Oh,
That
it's all good.
works. 1 minute.
I have a half day today, so
10 p.m.
They're warm.
Relax.
It's lots of fun, yeah.
yeah, that was pretty
Learned a new recipe and got a fancy new hot
Got some
pocket.
bags.
hot
Got some
warmer.
hot pocket. Got some bags to throw at some demons.
Yeah,
Classic.
exactly.
So 동짓날 is not as big as Christmas or the year end or the New Year. But I hope you remember that is very important day in Korea.
It was a lot of fun actually. Like
Now we're
for
best
learning
friends.
new recipe, I feel like that went pretty well for all of us first time
Yeah.
cooking it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can confirm, 팥국 tastes better sweet, not salty.
Sweet.
For sure, I think. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, thank
Thanks.
you.
Yay! 감사합니다.